everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I'm going to show you how I make my salmon patties. They're very delicious and tasty, real simple, easy ingredients. It doesn't take a lot and it doesn't take a rocket scientist to make it. And I love them with biscuits and syrup. So let's get into this video. Check your salmon for bones. Stuff that little kids and adults as well don't need to swallow. These are bones that you can find in your can of salmon. So you're gonna get that out. So you just feel through it. Because there are bones in salmon. And I learned this from my mother growing up. And I know many of you watched your mother, your grandmother make salmon. Because you can tell they just go ahead and grind that stuff on up in there, okay? And you don't want to eat that stuff. You do not want to eat it. Okay, now see, like this skin, if you can, because like me, you get that nasty old skin off of there. It's not good in your salmon patties, okay? And if you're trying to serve this to other people, you don't want them to eat that. So get that skin off of there. Don't drop it on your table like I'm doing. Okay, so now in a large bowl, we are going to mix. We got 2 eggs, large eggs, y'all. 2 large eggs, okay? We're gonna mix 2 large eggs together. And with the 2 large eggs, we are going to mix some grated onions. I'm gonna show you these are already grated, minced, and ready to use, okay? It's by Spiceware, and I bought this at Publix, okay? In the section where you can buy your onions, okay? And just a little bit more onion. It ain't good without the onion flavor, y'all. I'm telling you, trust me. Okay, so gonna mix the onions and the eggs together for our salmon recipe. Okay, so now to this, I am going to add my salmon in this bowl because it's large enough for mixing, okay? I'm gonna add in one heaping tablespoon of self-rising flour, okay? Okay, so after we add in the flour, we're gonna add in some seasoning salt, just about 1 teaspoon, not too much. About two teaspoons of garlic powder, or 1, it's to your taste. And I'm gonna add some black pepper, okay, about 2 teaspoons of black pepper, okay? So those are the seasonings that we're gonna use. Black pepper, seasoned salt, and garlic powder. That's it. You don't need any more seasonings other than those seasonings, okay? Now it is time to mix these ingredients together. And you can use a fork, you can use a spoon, you can use your hand, okay? It doesn't matter, just get it well combined, okay? Okay, so now at this time, what I am going to do is I have me a plate, bowl, sheet, whatever you want to use, and I have some parchment paper on it. And you don't have to use parchment paper. And I am going to place a small amount of flour in my hand, okay? It's okay to dust it off on top of your baking sheet, okay? I'm gonna take a spoon, get you a big spoon or a scooper, and I'm going to put the amount on my hand, and I'm going to shape me my patty. You can make these as big as you like or as small as you like. For the size of spoon I got, I'm gonna have to use 2. And you want them to be at least 1 to 1.5 inches thick, okay? And you're gonna dust it with some flour on the outside. Now, if you don't want to use flour, you can use breadcrumbs. But me, I'm using flour to make my patties on the outside. I'm just gonna dust it, okay? Not a lot, just enough to dust it. And go ahead and shape your patty. I'm sorry, y'all. Go ahead and shape your patty. Okay, so let's do this again. And when you cook your patties, they're gonna puff up. Okay? If you got some flour on your hand, then you ain't got to worry about dusting it off. Just shape it as like a patty, okay? Now, if you want to do it without the flour on the outside, you can. Just shape it like a ball. And that's the size of a patty. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to go ahead and cook our salmon patties. So, you're going to have your grease heated up to medium heat. When you get them in there, just turn it down to medium, a little bit to a medium low heat. You don't want it up too high because you don't want it to cook too fast. Woo! And you don't want to burn it, okay? Okay, I want you guys to see the patties. Okay, so you're gonna cook them 3 minutes per side. Have a little less oil than what I have. I thought it wasn't this much oil in my skillet, but it's a little bit more oil. No, than usual. Now me, if you watch my channel, you know I like to okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add another patty in, start cooking it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one out. This one is ready. Here are my salmon patties, biscuits, and syrup. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This is one of the recipes that my mom used to make with salmon patties and biscuits with syrup and rice. And that's what I wanted today. And I'm dedicating this video to her. Hope you guys have a wonderful and happy Mother's Day. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day.